Hello everyone, this is Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel and today we are going to fix an Instagram issue. So the issue is that suddenly we are not able to send messages because when we are opening our chat, a pop-up message appears that you can't send messages for 3 days. So yeah, we're gonna fix this issue. Watch this video till end. Let's start the video without any delay. So first of all, let's know why we are facing this problem. So when we see that pop-up message carefully, it is written that you have sent something that violates Instagram community guidelines, which means this is your fault, not Instagram's. Maybe you have sent an picture or video, anything which is against Instagram's community guidelines. So in my case, what happened, my friend told me to share a picture which made my account to suffer. Actually in this picture, there is something that is related to a child. That's why Insta blocked my messages. So now to fix this problem, what we have to do, we gonna report this problem. Now for that, simply tap on this menu button and now go to settings. Now go to help and here you see a report a problem option. Turn off the shake phone option. Now tap on report a problem option and then an interface like this will appear. Now describe your issue in description box. You can also attach an screenshot of that issue. So what I have written is that Team Instagram, I have sent a photo to my friend and I was not aware that this photograph violates Instagram community guidelines. Please resolve this issue and fix my problem. Now tap on next and your issue will be resolved. So I hope this video will be useful to you. Make sure to like the video, also share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel and also you can visit our website from given link in description.
I got nightmares in my head.